Hey YouTube, so today we got some new spacers. We got some Eibach 25mm spacers. So look, this is what we're trying to fix. So currently we have 20mm spacers in the back. When I bought the car, it wasn't properly fitted. The wheels aren't fitted to this car, so put spacers on. But yeah, those 20mm spacers, we're gonna take them off. Hopefully they work. We're gonna put them on the front. If you look at the front, I have extended wheel studs, so hopefully this doesn't cause an issue when installing the new 20mm spacers from the back. So we'll see how that goes, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so as I suspected, the extended wheel studs do pose a problem. And then don't work on your car when it's like 95 degrees out because it's horrible. So the problem is that the extended wheel studs that I have on are too long. They're longer than the wheel studs that are on the wheel spacer. So my idea here is I'm going to hit these out with a hammer and then just use this as like just a regular old spacer. So we'll see if that works. Okay, so we finally got these 25mm spacers installed. So take a look. I think it's flush now, so it's to the point where it won't rub, but it's almost flush. So I'm pretty happy with it. And we took off the 20s, the ones that are in my hand here. These have been a pain. I'll tell you why in a second, but in the front, it's still the same. No spacer in the front. Mostly because of the extended studs. They're just too long for me to put a spacer on. Yeah, but yeah, this thing right here, there's no name brand. This thing is made of kryptonite. We took PB Blaster.
It's indestructible.
We took WD-40, a torch. We took 2 hammers to it, and we could not break these studs.
We got a mallet, like, dude, everything.
We went to Harbor Freight, went to Home Depot. Couldn't find anything to break these studs or punch them out.
Here's the seam. And he was able to break the bricks.
Yeah, whoever made these are high strength, high density stuff. Like, this will not break. So yeah, installs good. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks perfect.